Hi children, welcome back to the today's day 3 session of reading and writing class. Before getting into reading, let's see a quote about the value of reading. That is, reading and writing are life skills that everyone should have the opportunity to learn. So, children, use this beautiful golden opportunity to learn reading and writing and make yourself proud. Children, let's start. Take your textbook Honeydew, page number 10 and 11, chapter 1. The title of the chapter, The Best Christmas Present in the World. Children, in the last class, we completed part 1 of this chapter, first chapter, The Best Christmas Present in the World. Today, in this day 3 session of reading, we are going to start the part 2. So, let's start the part 2 here. Here, we are going to start reading the letter that was written by the Jim Macpherson to his wife Connie Macpherson. So let's read the letter now. D-E-A-R-E-S-T. What is that? Dearest. C-O-N-N-I-E. Connie. Dearest Connie. So as it is a letter, he is starting with the salutation, that is Dearest Connie, comma, I, W-R-I-T-E, write, T-O, to, Y-O-U, U, I-N, in, M-U-C-H, much, H-A-P-P-I-E-R, it is happier. Split the word and read, children. H-A-P-P, hap, P-I-E-R, happier. F-R-A-M-E, frame. F-R-A-M-E, frame. Happier, frame. F-R-A-M-E, frame. O-F, off. O-F, off. M-I-N-D, mind. M-I-N-D, mind. B-E-C-A-U-S-E. What is that? Because. B-E-C-A-U-S-E. What is that? Because. So, next word, S-O-M-E. What is that? Some. S-O-M-E, some. T-H-I-N-G, thing. Together it is something. Next word, W-O-N-D-E-R-F-U-L. What is that, children? Wonderful. Okay, so it is wonderful. Wonderful. H-A-S, has. H-A-S, what is that, children? H-A-S, has. J-U-S-T, just. J-U-S-T, it is just. Next, H-A-P-P-E-N-E-D. Split the word. How to split it, children? H-A-P, hap. P-E-N, pen. E-D, ed. Happened, it is happen. H-A-P, hap. P-E-N, pen. E-D, ed. It is happened. Next, T-H-A-T, that. T-H-A-T, that. I-M-U-S-T, must. M-U-S-T, it is must. I must. T-E-L-L, tell. I must tell. Yes. Let's read from the beginning, children. Shall we read from the beginning? Yes. I write to you in a much happier frame of mind because something wonderful has just happened that I must tell. Yes. Let's move on to the next page, children. U, Y-O-U, U. A-B-O-U-T, about. Y-O-U-U, A-B-O-U-T, about. A-T, at. A-T, at. O-N-C-E, once. O-N-C-E, it is once. V, W-E-V, W-E-R-E. What is that, children? W-E-R-E, where, where. W-E-R-E, where. A-L-L, all. A-L-L, all. S-T-A-N-D-I-N-G. What is that? Standing. S-T-A-N-D-I-N-G, standing. So children, keep your fingers and follow next to me. Repeat next to me also. Then only you can improve your reading skill. Yes. So standing, S-T-A-N-D-I-N-G, standing. T-O, two. I-N, in. O-U-R, R. T-R-E-N-C-H-E-S. What is that? T-R-E-N-C-H-E-S. Trenches. Trenches means a long deep ditches in the ground where soldiers hide from the enemy. That is called trenches. Trenches. How to pronounce this word, children? Repeat next to me. Trenches. Trenches. Yes. Then Y-E-S-T-E-R-D-A-Y. Yesterday. Yes. Y-E-S. Yes. T-E-R. Ter. D-A-Y. Day. So it is together. Yesterday. Then M-O-R-N-I-N-G. Morning. Morning. M-O-R-N. Morn. I-N-G. Ing. Morning. Then so Christmas. Next one. Christmas. C-H-R-I-S-T-M-A-S. Christmas. C-H-R-I-S-T-M-A-S. Christmas. Christmas. M-O-R-N-I-N-G. What is this word, children? Very good. It is morning. Morning. Christmas morning. I-T. It. W-A-S. Was. C-R-I-S-P. Crisp. C-R-I-S-P. What is that? Crisp. It was crisp. And A-N-D. And. Q-U-I-E-T. Quite. Q-U-I-E-T. Quite. A-L-L. All. A-B-O-U-T. About. A-S. As. B-E-A-U-T-I-F-U-L. What is this word, children? Beau. Split the word. Beau. T-full. Beautiful. B-E-A-U. Beau. T-I-T-F-U-L. Full. Beautiful. Morning. M-O-R-N-I-N-G. Morning. A-S. As. I apostrophe V. What is this, children? I apostrophe V. It is I've. That is the short form of I have. Contraction of I have. It is I've. We should pronounce it as I've. E-V-E-R. Ever. S-E-E-N. Seen. Ever seen. A-S. As. C-O-L-D. Cold. And A-N-D. And. F-R-O-S-T-Y. Frosty. What is it? Frosty. As a Christmas morning. S-H-O-U-L-D. What is it, children? Should. Should be. So shall we read from the beginning? Yes. You about at once. We were all standing to in our trenches yesterday morning. Christmas morning. It was crisp and quiet all about. As beautiful a morning as I've how to pronounce this word, children? I've ever seen, as cold and frosty as a Christmas morning should be. Yes. Shall we move on to the next paragraph, children? Yes. Keep following me. So I'm going to read the next paragraph. I, S-H-O-U-L-D, should. S-H-O-U-L-D, it is should. L-I-K-E, like. T-O, to. B-E-B-A-B-L-E, able. A-B-L-E, it is able. T-O, to. T-E-L-L. What is that? Tell. Y-O-U-U. T-H-A-T. That. W-E-V-B-E-G-A-N. Began. I-T. It. I-T. It. I should like to be able to tell you that we began it. Children, let's continue the second line. B-U-T, but, T-H-E, the, T-R-U-T-H, truth, T-R-U-T-H. What is that, children? It is truth, truth, comma, I'm. See, already we saw one contraction already, that is I have. It is I've. It should be pronounced as I've. Here we have I'm. That is I am. Short form is I'm. So how it should be pronounced, children? I'm. That is I am, and the contraction here it is I'm. I apostrophe M. It is I'm. As S-H-A-M. Shame. E-D. Id. What is this, children? Ashamed. 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 To. T-O-2. To. S-A-Y. Say. Ashamed to say is that. I-S-T-H-A-T. That. Fritz. F-R-I-T-S. Fritz. Fritz. B-E-G-A-N. Began. I-T. It. Began it. But the truth I'm ashamed to say is that Fritz began it. The next third sentence. First. F-R-I-S-T. First. S-O-M-E. Some. O-N-E. One. Someone. First someone. S-A-W. What is that, children? Saw. Past tense for see is saw. S-A-W. Saw. A. W-H-I-T-E. White. W-H-I-T-E. White. F-L-A-G. What is that? Flag. Flag. F-L-A-G. It is flag. W-A-V-I-N-G. It is waving. Waving. W-A-V-I-N-G. It is waving. F-R-O-M. From. T-H-E. The. What is this? T-R-E-N-C-H-E-S. It is trenches. It is trenches. Opposite. O-P-P-O-S-I-T-E. What is that? Opposite. So, read this sentence, children. First, someone saw a flag waving from the trenches opposite. Okay. Now, let's move on to the next sentence. T-H-E-N. Then. T-H-E-Y. They. W-E-R-E. Where. C-A-L-L-I-N-G. Calling. O-U-T. Out. T-O. U-S. Us. F-R-O-M. From. A-C-R-O-S-S. Across. A-C-R-O-S-S. It is across. A-C-R-O-S-S. What is it, children? It is across. N-O. No. M-A-N-S. Man's. Apostrophe S. That is man's. Man's. No man's land. L-A-N-D. Land. No man's land means it's a common place. No man's land. H-A-P-P-Y. Happy. Yes. Happy Christmas. Happy Christmas. T-O-M-M-Y. What is that? Tommy. Tommy. T-O-M-M-Y. Tommy. Happy Christmas. Again, Happy Christmas. W-H-E-N. When. W-E-V-H-A-D. Had. H-A-D. Had. G-O-T. Got. What is it? Got. Past tense for get is got. O-V-E-R. Over. T-H-E. The. S-U-R. Sir. P-R-I-S-E. Surprise. 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 S-O-M-E. Some. O-F. Off. U-S. As. S-H-O-U-T-E-D. Shouted. S-H-O-U-T-E-D. What is that, children? Shouted. B-A-C-K. Back. B-A-C-K. Back. S-A-M-E. Same. To. T-O-2. Y-O-U, you, same to you. Fritz, F-R-I-T-S, it is Fritz. Same to you, again it is same to you. I thought, T-H-O-U-G-H-T, thought. I thought, T-H-A-T, that. I thought that, W-O-U-L-D, would. B-E-B, T-H-A-T, that. So, shall we this line again from the beginning, children? Yes. T-H-E-N, then, then they were calling out to us from across no man's land. Happy Christmas, Tommy. Happy Christmas. When we had got over the surprise, some of us shouted back, Same to you, Fritz. Same to you. I thought that would be that. Yes, now continue reading the next line. W-E-V-A-L-L, all. E, what is it, children? Did. We all did. B-U-T, but. B-U-T, it is but. But. T-H-E-N, then. S-U-D-D-E-N-L-Y, what is that? Split the word, children. S-U-D, sud. D-E-N, den. L-Y, lee. Suddenly, it is suddenly. One of them, O-N-E, one. O-F, of. T-H-E-M, them. One of them was up. U-P, up. T-H-E-R-E, there. In his. H-I-S, his. G-R-E-Y, what is it? G-R-E-Y, grey. Color, it's a color, grey. G-R-E-A-T, great coat. C-O-A-T, coat, grey, great coat. And waving, again, W-A-V-I-N-G, waving a white, W-I-T-E, it's a color, white. F-L-A-G, it is flag, white flag, white flag. Yes. So, read the sentence, children. We all did, but then suddenly one of them was up there in his great coat and waving a white flag. Okay, now let's read the next line. D-O-N apostrophe T. What is that? It's a contraction of do not. How to pronounce this word, children? Don't. Don't. Don't, S-H-O-O-T, shut. Don't shut. Lades, L-A-D-S, lades. Don't shut lades. Someone, S-O-M-E-O-N-E, one. Someone shouted, S-H-O-U-T-E-D, shouted. Someone shouted. And no one did. And no one, D-I-D, did. Then there was another, A-N-O-T-H-E-R, another, an, other, A-N, O-T-H, other. So together it is another. Another Fritz up on the parapet. Parapet. How to split the word, children? How many syllable? 3 syllable. Parapet. Parapet. And another, keep, K-E-E-P, keep, Y-O-U-R, your heads down, H-E-A-D-S, heads, D-O-W-N, down, heads down. I told the men, T-O-L-D, told the men. I-T apostrophe S, it is actually it is, but this contraction here, it is its. It should be pronounced as it's a trick. T-R-I-C-K. T-R-I-C-K. What is that, children? Trick. But it wasn't. How to pronounce this word? Wasn't. But it wasn't. Okay. Shall we repeat this line alone, children, now? Again? Yes. So, see here from where we need to read don't shut lids. Yes. Don't shut lids. Someone shouted and no one did. Then there was another Fritz up on the parapet, and another. Keep your heads down. I told the men it's a trick, but it wasn't. Children, that's all from the today's reading part. Let's move on to the writing part. Children, let's start today's writing class. Write along with me, children, and follow the same cursive pattern. First, let's write date. So first we need to write date. Then we have to write day 3. Day 3. Chapter 1. Day 3, chapter 1. Let's start right. First we need to write writing. W-R-I-T-I-N-G. Writing. From page number 10. Page number 10. Let's write the today's passage, what we read. First we need to write dear, dearest, D-E-A-R-E-S-T, dearest. Coney, C-O-N-N-I-E, Coney. Dearest Coney. Then let's start the first sentence. I write. W-R-I-T-E. Write. I write to you. I write to you. The next line. In a much happier, H-A-P-P-I-E-R, happier, F-R-A-M-E, frame of, O-F, of, M-I-N-D, mind, frame of mind, because, B-E-C-A-U-S-E, because, something, S-O-M-E-T-H-I-N-G, something, wonderful, W. See here how I am writing, children. Follow the same cursive and pattern. Wonderful, F-U-L, wonderful, H-A-S, has, J-U-S-T, just, H-A-P-P-E-N-E-D, happened, T-H-A-T, that, happened that, I must, I-M-U-S-T, must, T-E-L-L, tell, T-E-L-L, tell. Then Y-O-U. U-A-B-O-U-T. About. At. A-T. At. O-N-C-E. Once. Then V-W. Where. W-E-R-E. We were. All. S-T-A-N-D-I-N-G. Standing. T-O-2. Standing to. In. O-U-R. R. T-R-E-N-C-H-E-S. Trenches. Y-E-S-T-E-R-D-A-Y. Yesterday. Morning. M-O-R-N-I-N-G. Morning. Come on. Christmas. C-H-R-I-S-T-M-A-S. Christmas. Morning. M-O-R-N-I-N-G. Morning. So children, follow the same cursive and patterns in your handwriting. Write slowly and neatly. Then only you can get the same cursive. IT, it. W-A-S, was. C-R-I-S-P, crisp. A-N-D, and. Crispen, Q-U-E-I-T, white. A-L-L, all. A-B-Q-U-I-T-E-T, quite. All. A-B-O-U-T, about. As. Beautiful. B-E-A-U-T-I-F-U-L, beautiful. As. Morning. M-O-R-I-N-G, morning. So that's all from the today's writing part, children. So you need to write the passage neatly, clearly, with the same cursive pattern in your handwriting note. This is our day 3 session. That's all from the writing part, children. I'll catch you with another video of teaching and reading writing session. Until then,